by the sun. I don't have that. It is cloudy and raining significantly hard right now, babe. I will promise I will not bring the rain back with me. We're gonna hit the road. We're gonna head over to PFS. I wanna give you a little update on the Murci. It has a few things that it's gotta get done, and then it's going north. It's going north, and it's gonna get all the insurance and everything done. So we're gonna see that thing on the streets very soon. I'm through that chunk of lobster. Ooh. Amazing. All right, till next time, Avenue of the Arts, I'll be back. There she is, guys. Woo!
It's a little wet there. Why'd you bring your weather with you?
Hey, look at this. By the way, shopdd.com, links in description. You can get some merch. Oh, hold on. I gotta tell you guys about today's sponsored video. You guys, today we have a sponsored video by my friends, by Cove. This is the commuter Bluetooth speaker. It's portable, it's amazing, extra long battery life. It has a scrolling dial for the volume. It has an indoor and an outdoor feature. Massive bass coming from the little subwoofer at the bottom from X-Bass. Check this thing out. Check this out, look. Not bad, eh? Sorry. I won't yell at you. I'm like, you want it? You guys are gonna want it. Links in description, pick one up. Huge discount for the DD fam. Like we always do here, try to provide value to you. Pick up your Cove Bluetooth speaker today. Links in description. Let's talk cars. Murci. Going on Mr. C's Towing back to Avant-Garde tomorrow?
Tomorrow, correct.
All right. Thank you. And you guys killed it with the wrap. Everybody at the show was like, looks sick. So you gotta see it in person. And you might see it in person and still not like it because it's not gonna be for everybody. Let's go see what's back here. Jason, you still have no tires. No tires. Somebody needs a tire sponsor. Ooh. Ooh. Look at that. Look at this, you guys. Progress on the 488 going chrome red. So you can see the difference from the paint to this insane chrome red that they're putting on. And they're in the process. So we won't get in their way, but you'll get to have a little glimpse as to how this gets applied here at PFS. It's pretty rad. I said, is it hard to put on? He says, it's fun. Have been opening Christmas presents down here. Instead, they're not opening but wrapping a Ferrari, and they said it takes about 45 minutes to get a panel like this done because the chrome is a little more sensitive to work with. The skills. Well, I'll leave you boys to it. Thanks for letting me get up all in your space. I'll see you guys next trip. That was so lame. Well, someone's still happy. Look at her go. Dance, dance, dance. Until next time, I'll see you soon. We're gonna head right now up to AGX, you guys, and talk Murcielago. What needs to be done? How soon can we get it done? Get some deadlines, get this thing on the road. Let's go pressure the Mitsubishi and Mark Guyver into hammering this project out. a kid splashing in the puddles, you guys. Made it to AGX. That was some sketchy hour-and-a-half drive. People in California aren't used to driving in the rain, I'll tell you that much. Okay, let's make a run for the door. What's going on in here? Dude,
What happened to the Tire Slayer video?
Huh? Whoa. We need nunchucks. Where'd you guys get those?
What do you mean where?
The nunchuck store.
Lisa hooked it up.
The nunchuck store. That sounds official. What are these things?
The nunchucks.
Oh, dude. These things are rad. Oh. What is that?
It's for you.
It's for me? Hold on. Should I open it on camera?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I don't know. You never know what gets sent here, bro.
I wouldn't set you up for, well, I totally would set you up, but.
You took
But, yeah,
that back.
this isn't
real
the
quick.
case. This
Hey, how
isn't-
quick did he take
Ready?
that back?
Slow-mo.
Alright. Now we need the razor blade. I like how they give you this, but that's it. You're still not getting in your
Someone got a little
package.
carried away.
Oh! It's what I came here for. It's like Christmas. Dude. Whoa, this is like intricate.
Titanium.
It's titanium?
I said titanium. It is.
It's made out of titanium?
Feel it. How heavy is it?
Wow. Look at this. Dude, these are like quality parts.
Yeah.
Did you say titanium?
I did say titanium. You feel how light it is?
Did you say titanium?
Titanium.
Ooh, this is like some Gucci stuff, Mark.
Only the best for you.
They put a bowl on it? They did. So this is, break this down. What is this? What are these parts that we've been waiting 3 weeks for?
Well, actually, we can go over to Ace's car and we can see a visual representation minus the transmission. But come on,
Okay.
let's go.
I'm so excited. Because you know what?
Look at the machine,
Makes a
just
bit
the
of-
machining of that part alone.
Yeah, he makes all this, right?
Yeah.
So we can also show the folks at home that this is a Mercy engine sitting right here. Now this is not the 640, but
Yeah.
nevertheless, it's still same idea.
So yours
Yeah.
is going to have this put in here.
So yeah, explain that this part's deleted.
Well, it's really the torque tube that's deleted.
Torque tube.
And since the torque tube is deleted,
Yeah.
what we're gonna have is nothing to hold the transmission up in your car, which the old video you can see.
Right.
So what's gonna happen now is this is gonna sit on here. Actually, forgive my hand play. It's gonna sit like this.
Okay.
And then this plate is gonna sit like this.
Yeah.
And that will come on
Yeah.
all the way up into here
Right.
to support the transmission, to keep the transmission up.
Chassis mounted.
So it does, yeah.
Yeah.
So we rigid mount it.
Well, that's really cool. I mean, I think a lot of people have no idea that you can do a rear wheel drive conversion. And I think first thought, you know, like an Alex Choi would be, hey, let's just pull everything out and it's rear wheel drive converted.
Yeah.
And you can, like my car is drivable, but it's not the best because it's got that clunking and banging. And I would imagine that this really grounds that torque. So you're probably gonna, I mean, in theory, does it help
you're
the car?
you're actually working harder because this isn't in there.
Yeah.
Because the shifter is attached to the transmission.
Would
and
that
the-
have something
and
to do with the fact
transmission-
that I grind third gear sometimes?
It has a lot to do with it because
Oh!
it's not always in the same place.
I didn't want to admit it, but on James, the Stradman, on his video, he was filming and he straight up has me going from second to third, and I had to grind it a bit.
Did you see me miss at shift sectors third?
In
And
Edmonds,
fourth.
Mercy?
Yeah.
So
I missed them both.
So that's why, because it's pre this kit.
No, well, for me, I suck, but for
Oh.
you, it's because your transmission's never. I mean, and you think about it, your transmission has to go into the gate,
Yeah.
and you know, the gate doesn't move because it's bolted to the center console.
Yeah, yeah.
But the transmission underneath might be in a different place.
Oh.
Okay. So that's the hard time versus the cam cap right there.
Really?
And we can see this.
Yeah.
This one's a little bit advanced.
Yeah.
And if we come over to the other side,
Okay.
what we want is all 4 of those lined up.
Mark Iver's giving me the 411 and you guys on
And so here's our intake
Murcielago motors.
lined up again.
Yeah.
And then here's the miss on this one. This one's off too.
Interesting.
So the hard time is going to be corrected
Yeah.
once the valve adjustment's done.
What are we doing?
We're going to make you pull the shim out.
Lamborghini special tool. Got him on the hook.
I don't know why he did that, but
It does not taste like oil. We start. Do I just start hitting stuff in here?
well,
Look at Mitch.
Preferably not.
What? What's that?
Probably not the best idea.
Nah, you don't say.
so in order for us to remove this disc
Yeah.
out of here,
Yeah.
we have to depress the bucket, which is that ring around it.
Okay.
The tool goes in,
Yeah.
and you're going to use it to just catch the lip and drive it in. You see how it starts to relieve it down?
Yeah.
Hammer me one time, homeboy. Not you. So then we'll take the shim out.
Uh huh.
And then we must clean and micrometers. They used to have numbers written on them,
Yeah.
but the numbers wear away.
Like literally, this is all that's in that.
Yeah.
Man, I don't know shit about motors.
So we're gonna find a thinner one.
Uh huh.
So we're gonna do 1 step thinner so we can restore the gap between the camshaft and the valve itself.
It's that sensitive.
Once the valve adjustment's done on your car, you'll be like, wow, okay, I get it.
A 385.
And we're gonna put in a 380, which should get us right back to 355. The spec on this thing should be 350. So we take this, we put in there.
Yeah. That's it.
That's all.
You pop it back in. And a wiggle woo.
And we're done. And that valve is officially adjusted.
And you have to do that how many times?
On this particular motor, 16 or 15 more times.
That's complicated. Why do you gotta make it so complicated?
And the best part is on yours, this is easy. You gotta pull up the cams to do yours.
Why? Why? How's it?
Ask Lamborghini why. They
How-
decided
how-
to change it.
So it's different than this.
This is shim over bucket. Yours is bucket over shim. So how that little shim that Mark pulled out,
Yeah.
you pulled out from the top. Yours, you have to take the cam out and then pull the little bucket out, and your shim is underneath that.
So this week you're gonna do the bracket on the Mercy. Let's talk about this so everybody has clarification and some closure.
Wait,
We're
don't you
accountable
mean
now.
expectations?
Yeah.
Hold on.
That means we're getting signed up. You see how that is? What we're doing. I don't think he's doing anything, number one. Number two, that means that now we probably have to do it. Or at least it's on camera, then we probably need to. Yeah, my same face.
That's how this works.
If we don't say anything, does it mean we said it on the
We have
vlog?
You've already showed me the parts. You
my-
said it was the last piece. So
That's the main piece.
you have the shims, you have the main piece. Tune it. Let's make this happen. Get it done by Friday.
When's the car gonna get to us? We kind of need
Tomorrow.
a car.
Yeah.
Tomorrow at the close of business day or in the
Morning. It's all wrong. Google says it's 24/7. I don't even know if I'm gonna make my flight. I do this every time. See you guys. You charged my credit card yet? You still learning how to... You can fix cars, but you can't charge a car.
Dude, they don't have that on YouTube yet.
Oh, we
I'm
can
totally
make...
stranded.
Oh, it happened so organically that time.
Getting better.
I'll see you guys soon.
All right.
Take care of the cars. Thank you so much. I'll text you with an exact time, okay, that the Mercy will show up.
Sounds good.
I'm gonna try not to miss a flight. See ya. Make sure it's sunny when I come back. Thanks, bro. What's up, dude? Just gonna make it. Have like 30 minutes to board my plane. Get through security first. And today's the day to fly. Look at this, no lineup. Let me tell you this, my flight got canceled. Not even joking. For fog or something. I'm so tired. I need to go to sleep. Anyhow, let's go see what this room is like. Yeah, this is the predicament I find myself in at time to time. Delayed flights, 10, 12 hours, or completely canceled. Oh, by the way, yes, those are pink socks. Boom, this is where we're staying for the night. DD fam, it has been a blast. Thank you for coming on yet another adventure. I'm super psyched. The Murci. I think this is the home stretch. Avant-Garde's got everything they need. They got the bracket, they got the shims I learned about today. They're gonna get it done. I have all the faith in Mark Ivor. Not so much the Mitsuation, but let's hope he doesn't get hands-on too much with the Murci. I'm just joking, Mitch. It's all good, brother. But seriously though, Mark, do the work, please. I'm so psyched. You guys, you want some merch? We got new merch coming. I know we're sold out of hats at the moment. We have new hats. We have a camo hat and a blacked out hat. Not the same blacked out hat I sold limited before, a new blacked out design. So if you're interested in one of those, stay tuned. We will be dropping those tomorrow. So basically by the time you see this vlog, go check out shopdd.com. Check out what we got. We got sticker packs, all sorts of great stuff, whatever you're into, or just watch the videos. But if you want one of those Bluetooth speakers, the Cove Commuter, I kid you not, amazing value. Go pick one up. There's a link in the description. Anyhow, I love you guys. Thanks for watching this episode. Soon to come, Murci Tire Slayer action on the streets. I'm going to bed. Peace.